We unfortunately have heard that the weather has taken a turn for the worse once again. Remember, there had been a slight drizzle early this morning, pretty much scaring all fans of the game who were worried then whether or not we'll be able to get a game at Eden Gardens this evening. We do understand that it is overcast once again at Kolkata. It's become dark. There's a bit of a drizzle once again. So there's a massive threat of rain, which just threatens to perhaps ruin this game altogether. Let's hope that's not what happens. I'm going to try and go across to Harini Rana in just a few minutes if I can get her to give us the latest weather update. But those are the pictures. You can see what it's like. It's overcast. It's only just about 5 p.m. and it's quite overcast there in Kolkata. It's still drizzling a little bit. We did see pictures of Eden Gardens, the ground, also some time back, and it had been covered because of this threat of rain. Remember, there was a drizzle this morning, and then the sun came out through most of the day, leading fans to believe that they will see a game without any rain interruption. But once again, there is a major threat of perhaps rain playing spoil sport in this T20 blockbuster clash. Going across to Harini now. Harini, we're seeing these pictures and they tell a very, very sorry tale. It looks like there's a massive rain threat once again in Kolkata.
Well, absolutely, Geena. If you can see, my camera person could pan through towards, we're standing right outside the team hotel. In last 30 minutes, the weather has completely changed. The way we are seeing headlights on for all the vehicles. It's completely dark, thunderstorm, kind of an atmosphere. There's been thundering, lightning that's going on, especially after it was raining in the morning, but essentially it was only drizzle. But now what you see is heavy downfall that's coming in. CAB, of course, worried at this point of time. As we speak, the Indian team is just heading towards the team meeting. However, it remains to be seen if the Indian team, they were scheduled to leave the team hotel at about 5:15. We're expecting some sort of a delay for the Indian team's departure because the schedule was keeping in mind that rain will not play spoil sport, but the weather conditions have completely changed in the last 30 minutes. There's heavy security cordon that you see. This is the area right outside the team hotel. The teams were expected to be checking out of this hotel in about close to 10 minutes. As we speak, the Indian team is heading towards the team meeting area. But the weather has completely changed. What we're given to understand earlier in the day, the Cricket Association of Bengal have put all the preparations in place in terms of an upgraded drainage system. They've got covers keeping in mind the weather prediction. Covers have been brought in from UK. The whole ground is covered is what we've been given to understand.
Yes, we did see those pictures.
Who are at the ground. But at this point of time, the situation is not too positive.